Namaskar everyone. In this video, we will do quick revision of nutrition in plants. Nutrition in plants can be divided into two types, autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition takes place in green plants with the help of photosynthesis process. Heterotrophic nutrition can be divided into four types: saprophytic, symbiotic, insectivorous, and parasitic type of nutrition. Now let us understand the process of photosynthesis. In the process of photosynthesis, sunlight and chlorophyll is required, which is present in green leaves. So sunlight is obtained from sun and chlorophyll is present in green leaves along with carbon dioxide, which is obtained from air, and water, which is absorbed from the soil. So all these are four raw materials required for the photosynthesis. We can summarize this whole reaction as carbon dioxide combined with water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to produce glucose and oxygen. Now let us discuss saprophytic mode of nutrition. In saprophytic mode of nutrition, dead and decaying organic matter is used up by the organism as food. For example, mushroom and fungus and some other bacteria. In symbiotic mode of nutrition, the best example is lichen. Lichens are organisms which are symbiotic association of algae and fungus. In this combination, algae are autotrophic, which provide food, and fungus are heterotrophic, which provide water, mineral, and shelter to the lichens. Insectivorous plants eat insects, which provide them nitrogen as the nutrient. For example, pitcher plant or sundew plant are some insectivorous plants. Now, parasitic mode of nutrition. Parasites are of two types: total parasites and partial parasites. Total parasites completely depend on the host for food, mineral, shelter, etc. While